What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hope this video is finding you well. It is Friday, guys. It was another TCP payday. A little shorter than normal, but it was still a payment. And guys, it was something that some people don't make online, okay? This is just one of my income streams, guys. And this is a residual income stream. So usually it's a lot more than this here, guys. But it was a little low week, so I dig it. But it is what it is. So like I said, 2019, we're building and we're building and we're building. So everything that we have going on is going to be educational. It's going to always be teaching people. I want to make sure that you're educated in this space, regardless of what business that you join, whatever program that you're involved in. I want you to know exactly what you're doing when it comes to making money online. And that's why I'm involved in these type of programs, and that's why I'm going to present them to you, because I feel that they could help everyone, including yourself and me, because I've utilized it and I'm showing you how I'm utilizing it within my programs. I'm building sales funnels. I'm able to share my sales funnels with people. So that way, you know, if I'm building a team, or if I want my team to stand out and look different, then everyone that comes in under us is going to have that particular sales funnel that was built. And that's something that you can do for yourself. We have programs that's going to teach you how to utilize Craigslist and post ads on Craigslist for as low as $5 a day. We're going to show you how to do Facebook ads low as $5 a day. We're going to show you how to utilize YouTube to brand yourself. To brand yourself and video marketing. So guys, these are some of the top things that you're going to need. We're going to teach you solo ads. For you guys who don't know what solo ads is, that's people that have a list where you're renting out someone's list to send your business opportunity to, and then they opt in on your page. So now you can email those guys, build a relationship with them on their end as well. So I wanted to share this with you guys, that the conversion pros, they do pay, and as you can see that they paid me pretty early today. Okay, this came in pretty early. So yes, guys. All right, so 2019 is right around the corner. I remember when it was 2009, but 2019 is right around the corner, guys, and I want to help you get positioned. With the Conversion Pros, you can test drive this system for 7 days for free. No credit card. We don't want nothing from you. 7 days, you can test it out for free, okay? Once you test it out, I'm guaranteeing you're going to love it, and you're going to want to make sure that you have this thing a part of your arsenal when it comes to your business and making money online, okay? It is $50 a month after that, but they pay you a $25 residual income. If someone decides they want to sign up semi-annually or annually, you're going to get half of a commission for that as well. So 50, half of 50 is 25. So for people to say, what's half of 50? $25, guys. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video on up. I want you guys to have a beautiful and blessed day. Check out the Conversion Pros, get signed up for it, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button so you can be tapped in on all the videos that I drop. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day.